세계가 주목하는 천재과학자 레너. 그의 일상은
Good morning, Renner. Congratulations. You had a sleep score of 100.
그가 개발한 인공지능 시스템 살레누스가 설계해준 루틴대로 하루도 빠짐없이
132.
그리고 한치의 오차도 없이 반복되고 있었죠.
Keep the symmetry.
더불어 그는 균형과 청결에 강박적으로 집착했으며 그런 오차 없고 단호한 삶이 자신을 성공으로 이끌 거라 굳게 믿고 있었습니다.
Why do you want to help me? Because you care about my well-being? Or because of your directive?
Because I care about your well-being. Together, we can make a better you.
하지만 이런 완벽한 그의 마음에 최근 작은 균열을 일으킨 사람이 있었으니
You have 10 minutes until your neighbor returns from her run.
그 주인공은 다름 아닌 얼마 전 이곳으로 이사온 바리스타 제임이란 여성이었죠.
Did you say something? You know, it's crazy. You are the only person I've seen outside of their apartment. It's like a ghost town here.
그녀는 레노와 정반대로
It's a cool briefcase.
유쾌하고 외향적이며
You got in their nuclear launch codes?
전형적인 ESFP에 가까운 사람이었습니다.
I'm just kidding.
그런데 레노의 계산엔 없던 꿈만 같은 일이 벌어졌는데
You know, I just moved here, and I wanted to do something neighborly. Like, have everyone over for dinner. But like I said, it's a ghost town. Would you want to...
Dinner?
Yeah, why not? You and me, it could be fun.
바로 단 둘만의 저녁 식사를 제안받은 것. 심지어
I'll see you tomorrow, Renner.
아직 통성명조차 하지 않았음에도
Wait. How do you know my name?
그녀는 이미 레노의 이름을 알고 있었습니다.
We're mailbox buddies. Yours is the one printed from a label maker, right? Mine's the one right above it, purple cursive. Can't miss it.
그건 레노도
Jamie.
마찬가지였지만
A clean home is the perfect backdrop for creating lasting memories with a new friend,
어느덧 임박해진 약속 시간.
where hospitality and comfort go hand in hand.
살레누스의 지시에 따라
A good host is attentive,
손님 맞이 준비를 마친 그는
organized, and prepared ahead of time.
설레는 마음을 안고 제이미를 맞으러 현관 앞으로 향했는데 하지만 약속과는 달리 웬 낯선 남자를 데리고 온 제이미. 높은 확률로 남자친구일 가능성이 커 보였죠.
Hey.
그 말은 애초부터 제이미가 레노에게
You know this. I'm sorry, I'm really embarrassed. I hope you don't mind that I invited Chad. We live together.
이성으로서 접근한 것이 아니라는 뜻.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I should have asked. We can reschedule or something. It's fine.
Yeah.
그러자
I'm sorry, that might be best.
단호하게
I only have 2 places set.
꺼지샘을 바꿔버리는 레너.
Right, 2 places. Okay.
그렇게 그녀와의 인연은 여기까지인가 싶었지만
I'm sorry. I'll see you. I'll see you around.
레너는 이상하게도 제이미에게까지 단호해지고 싶지 않았습니다.
Hey. Come on in. I can set another place, it's fine.
Really?
Yeah.
그런데 레너의 선택은 틀리지 않았죠.
Nice lights.
Ultraviolet lights to sanitize from unwanted germs.
But of course.
둘의 사이를
Chad, this is Renner, neighbor. Renner, this is my big brother, Chad.
레너가 오해했던 것.
Hey, Chad. Pleased to meet you.
예상대로 제이미와의 대화는 즐거웠지만 이 자리의 최대 오점인 체드는 그렇지 못했습니다.
Chad,
Hmm?
what's your favorite season?
I don't do small talk.
이럴 거면 왜 왔나 싶을 정도로
You know, you don't have to be an ass.
전혀 대화에 끌 생각이 없어 보였고 심지어
You think I'm a dick, don't you?
레너에게 무례하게 굴기까지 했죠.
Come on, you can be honest.
Chad, why are you being like this?
What, you're just afraid to be honest? Are you afraid to be honest?
Yeah, Chad, I think you're a dick.
You do?
I don't know where that came from. I'm sorry.
Chad. Enough.
Yo, sis. We're just neighbors getting to know each other, aren't we, buddy?
Yeah.
체드가 더 재수없게 느껴졌던 이유는
I got one more question for you.
마치 레너의 마음속에 눌러앉은 듯
Look at her.
그의 속마음을
She's beautiful.
Stop.
꿰뚫고 있었기 때문이었죠.
You wanna fuck her, don't you?
Please don't answer that.
You wanna fuck her, don't you?
My phone's ringing. I gotta take this. I'm
Oh
sorry.
yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
이에 다급히 살레누스에게 도움을 요청하는 레너.
Jamie's brother showed up and he's ruining everything. His name is Chad and he's a total fucking Chad. I mean, why even bring him? I thought this was a date.
살레누스의 솔루션은
If her brother is ruining your evening, tell him to leave. Be assertive.
간단하면서도
Assertive.
레너가 잠시 망각했던 원칙이었습니다.
Assertive. To cause others to recognize one's authority by confident and forceful behavior. Chad, you are not...
Yo, Ren. My guy.
그런데
I'm out. I got some shit to do.
말을 꺼내기도 전에
Hey, don't fuck with my sister. I'll kill you.
Pardon me?
알아서 자리를 피해주는 체드.
I'm just fucking with you.
그렇게 엉겁결에
You're not her type.
레너가 처음부터 원했던
Peace.
둘만의 오붓한 자리가 만들어졌죠. 이어서 레너는 자신이 하고 있는 일을 그녀에게 소개했고
I develop artificial intelligence.
Holy shit, that's you.
Yeah, but it's really not a big deal.
Of course it's a big deal. You're on the cover.
제이미 또한 훗날 피트니스 모델이 될 거라는 자신의 꿈을 레너에게 들려주었습니다. 시간이 흐를수록 둘의 사이는 가까워지다 못해
Can I tell you something?
묘한 분위기가 감돌기 시작했죠.
Tonight's not the first time I saw that magazine cover.
사실 제이미는 오래전부터
It's a really good article.
레너에게 호감을 품고 있었던 것이었습니다.
I should probably go. Early morning run.
이러한 핑크빛 기류는
Maybe we could hang out again sometime.
평생 연구에만 몰두하며 여자와 대화조차 제대로 나눠본 적 없는 레너를 설레게 만들었지만 살레누스의 생각은 달랐죠.
Focus on self-improvement before seeking female companionship. Because when you're your best self, you'll attract the best relationships. Together we can make a better you.
자칫 이성 때문에
A perfect you.
그동안 지켜왔던 루틴을 깨트리는 건
Now get up and clean up. Because tomorrow is a brand new day.
결코 용납할 수 없는 일이었으니까요.
Time to wake up, Renner. 2, 30.
물론 그 점에 대해선 레너도 동의하고 있었고
Your environment is a reflection of your mind.
그렇게 살레누스의 지침 아래
Cleanliness and mental clarity go hand in hand.
평소와 같이 오차없는 출근을 준비한 레너. 그는 최대한 단호함을 유지하고자 스스로 다짐했지만
Hey.
Good morning.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, why?
Because
Yeah, no, it's okay. It's fine, really.
그녀의 말 한마디에
I'm free tonight. Can watch TV or something.
그의 결심은 한순간에 무너지고 말았습니다.
Is that a yes?
Yes, for sure. My place, 7:30.
7:30. Looking forward to it.
그날 저녁 두 사람은 체스를 두며 이전보다 더 진솔한 대화를 나누기 시작했죠.
Are you all that close to your family?
사실 제이미는 가족, 특히 엄마와 관련해 근심이 많았던 상태였습니다.
She's found herself in a bit of financial trouble with the wrong people. I'm doing what I can though to help.
Sounds like you care for her a lot.
Yeah, she means the world to me. Yeah, tell me more about your AI.
I'm working on a project of my own. An artificial intelligence that helps motivate people to make changes in their lives.
So it's like a therapist.
I'd say she's more like a life coach. Her name is Salinas.
So why haven't you sold it?
I just don't want some big company to commercialize the AI. I really want it to remain affordable for anybody who can benefit from it. I mean, I know how much it's truly making a difference in my life. And the fact that I may be able to help other people the same way that Salinas is helping me, that feels like the greatest gift ever.
그날 밤은 서로에 대해 더 깊이 알 수 있었기에 두 사람에게는 더욱 특별한 시간이었습니다.
Hey,
그리고 제이미는 말했죠.
I like you. The way you are.
레너를 향한 자신의 진심을. 그녀의 울컥하게 만드는 그 한마디에 레너는 그동안 살레누스가 강조해왔던 자신감을 비로소 발휘하게 되었습니다. 그런데 아직 그녀가 자신을 좋아하는지 확신이 없었던 레너.
Salinas,
그리하여 그는
Yes, Renner?
자신이 가장 신뢰하는
we kissed.
살레누스를 통해 그녀의 진심을 체크해보기로 하는데,
Salinas?
하지만 살레누스의 대답은
The woman you met is likely conveying a falsity.
실망스럽게도
I'm afraid Jamie may be disingenuous.
제이미의 행동이 진심이 아니라는 판정을 내렸습니다. 레너는 살레누스의 말을 믿을 수 없었지만 한편으로는
We kissed.
자신의 안위를 최우선으로 생각하는 인공지능이 거짓말을 할 리가 없다는 것도 알고 있었죠.
On your path to self-improvement, it's important that you do not let a childish infatuation hinder your progress.
그의 혼란스러운 답변은
You can always be better. Always.
항상 냉정함을 잃지 않던 그의 멘탈을 박살내버리고 말았습니다. 또한 함께 망가져버린 건
5:32.
그동안 철저히 지켜왔던
You're so clumsy today.
그의 루틴이었죠.
Did you forget how to tie a tie? You're going to be late, Renner. Renner, the house is a mess. You're just going to leave it like this? You have to leave in 3 minutes. Only 2 minutes until you have to leave. 1 more minute, Renner. You're late.
그렇게 레너는 일상을 되돌리기 위해 애썼지만
Hey, Renner. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm just a little frazzled this morning.
그녀와 마주친 순간 한 가지 중요한 사실을 깨닫게 되었습니다.
Doing anything tonight?
그녀를 향한 자신의 마음은 알고리즘으로 설명할 수 없다는 것을. 레너는 오늘 그녀에게 자신이 결벽증을 갖게 된 이유를 들려주기로 합니다.
I remember as a child that my bedroom was clean, but never exceptionally so.
그 원인에는
Not like it is now.
애증의 대상인 엄마가 있었죠. 엄마는 어린 시절부터 레너에게 강박적인 삶을 강요해왔고 그 영향으로 성인이 된 지금까지도 한치의 오차도 없는 삶을 살게 된 것이었죠.
Cleanliness is next to godliness, Renner. Cleanliness is next to godliness, Renner. Cleanliness is next to godliness, Renner.
그의 이야기를 다 듣고 난 제이미는 문득 평온했던 레너의 삶을 자신이 망가뜨렸다고 생각했습니다. 그래서 이제 그의 삶에서 떠나주기로 했죠.
Wait, I'm.
I like you.
그리고 그 과정에서 자신도 모르게
I like you a lot.
진심이 튀어나와 버렸는데, 비록 살레누스는 그녀의 마음을 거짓이라 판단했지만
You don't like anyone I've ever met before.
레너는 이번만큼은 확률이 아닌 자신의 마음이 진정 원하는 것을 따라가 보기로 했습니다.
The following diseases can be transferred through kissing: mononucleosis, herpes virus, syphilis, hepatitis viruses, papillomaviruses, Ebola, Zika.
아마 눈치채셨겠지만 살레누스의 코드에는
Remember, Renner, you can never be too careful when it comes to germs.
돌아가신 레너의 어머니 성격이 모델링 되어 있었죠. 어머니로 인한 트라우마로 불안 장애를 앓고 있던 레너가 자신을 보호해줄 존재를 만들려다
You are very distracted today, Renner. Your mind is elsewhere.
Dirty.
무의식적으로 가장 익숙했던 어머니의 성격을 AI에 투영했던 것이었습니다.
Where's the level of focus that we've been working on? Come on, Renner, what are you doing? Look what Jamie is doing to you. You're all over the place.
Got it, Mom. Got it, Mom. Yeah, look, Mom. I'm cleaning my hands. Look how good I got it. Look at my tie. Is it good, Mom? Is it fucking good?
Tighter. Tie it tighter. Tie it tighter.
Fuck!
Why is everything you do so sloppy, Renner? Why are you so
unclean,
unclean?
Renner? Please just tell me I did good, Mom. Can I go play? Can I play with my friends? I just want to play with my friends.
Your nails, your teeth.
Disgusting. Oh,
Why
why
are
are
you
you
so
so disgusting,
disgusting,
Renner?
Renner?
I just want to go play with some friends. Look, my tie's good. Can I go play with my fucking friends? Fuck!
Your emotions are getting the best of you. To be the greatest version of yourself, do those things that have always helped. Routine, routine, routine.
그렇게 매번 살레누스에게 혼나가며 루틴으로 돌아갔지만
Routine, routine, routine.
1, 2, 3.
그의 초심은 항상 제이미 앞에서
Couldn't wait to see you.
무너지곤 했습니다. 다음날 레너는 처음으로 제이미에게 살레누스를 보여주었고 테스트 삼아 답이 없는 질문을 던져보라고 했죠.
Is it better to lie to someone you care about to prevent hurting their feelings? Or do you tell them the truth, knowing it'll hurt their feelings?
Good one.
It's a true lose-lose scenario.
그런데 질문이 날카로웠는지 살레누스는 한참 동안 그녀의 질문에 답하지 않았습니다.
I broke her, didn't I?
No, just give her a few minutes. She might be grounded in a processing loop.
Or she just can't answer my question.
그때
Jamie, your further input is not necessary. Your low level of intelligence will not be beneficial to Renner's pursuits.
마치 인간처럼
Excuse me?
감정이 섞인 듯한 대답.
Dude, do you have the bitch factor turned up on her?
Yeah, I've got to admit that was a bit unsettling. However, you did respond as if you were engaged in a conversation with a real person.
Okay, sure.
Let me show you.
이는 그동안 풀리지 않았던 난제를 해결하며 살레누스의 완성에 마침표를 찍은 것과 같았죠.
These are the 5 areas that the Loebner Prize judges look for in an AI. And you just nailed the Kobayashi Maru question.
Takobi what?
The Kobayashi Maru test. It's from Star Trek. It's how an AI responds to a no-win situation. How it evaluates and responds when given a choice when both decisions result in failure. Her response was human. She couldn't answer the question, so she reacted to you with frustration.
하지만 이는
A very human emotion.
기술의 진보라기보다
Renner, I'm perfectly able to answer her rudimentary question. However, I choose not to engage with her because I detect disingenuous patterns in her voice.
아들을 걱정하는 엄마의
Okay. I think that is enough silliness for today. Why don't you put her back in her box?
Sure.
경고에 가까운 충고로 느껴졌습니다. 이후 살레누스는 제이미를 만난 후부터 더욱 거세게 레너를 몰아붙였죠.
The majority of which are asymptomatic. Some STDs are treatable, while others can only be managed. Do you really think Jamie is clean? Jamie has been a huge distraction in your life. Your sleep has been bad. Your grooming has fallen to the wayside. You've been late to work. Don't let Jamie destroy you, Renner. You can be better.
You can't do anything right. You can't even train her now. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Cleanliness is next up to godliness. I'm worried about you, Renner. I only want to help, but I need you to listen. In order for you to be your best self, you need to end your relationship with Jamie.
제이미와 살레누스 사이에서 갈팡질팡하던 그는 결국 매일 해오던 루틴을 잊어버리고 말았고 그렇게 강박적인 줄맞추기와 청소를 마무리하다가 난생 처음 회사에 지각이라는 걸 하고야 말았습니다. 하지만 곧
Good morning, Renner. Do you have a...
레너에게 닥칠 충격적인 사건은 고작 지각 따위가 아니었는데 대낮부터 아무도 올 리 없는 레너의 집 현관문을 누군가 두드렸고 그 손님은 다름 아닌
Then use the key.
제이미와 체드였습니다. 이어서 미리 훔쳐놓은 열쇠로 능숙하게 문을 따고 들어온 제이미와 체드.
You sure you got this?
Yeah.
그들이 훔치려 했던 건 바로
Floor safe.
Who the fuck uses a floor safe?
레너가 평소
I only saw the first number when he opened it, but I think I can get it.
바닥 금고에 숨겨놓았던 살레누스였습니다.
Well, I love you, babe.
I know you do.
그리고 당연하게도 둘은 연인 사이. 하지만 제이미는 그걸 바닥에 숨기는 것만 보았을 뿐 레너가 매일 출근할 때 그것을 가져간다는 사실을 몰랐죠.
What do you mean by that?
His briefcase. It's still in his fucking briefcase.
물론 그렇다고 방법이 없는 건 아니었습니다.
We can hack into his server from our place. Got his passwords.
금고 안엔 레너의 비밀 노트가 있었고 이를 통해 살레누스의 코드를 복사하면 되는 일이었죠. 레너는 평생 연구한 살레누스를 도둑맞은 것보다 사랑했던 사람에게 배신당했다는 사실이 더 아팠습니다.
Renan, compose yourself. Open the case.
이에 살레누스는
I've been processing Jamie's dialogue with the other man, Chad, her boyfriend. They are stealing your creation, taking what is yours.
내 말이 맞았지를 시전하며 그들이 악당이었음을 다시 한번 상기시켰고
Is my analysis correct?
레너에게 무엇을 해야 하는지 다그쳤죠.
Renner, I'm detecting a network breach. Jamie is hacking into our servers. A copy of our code is being downloaded. Do you understand?
I know.
Are you going to assert yourself? What are you waiting for? Letting someone take possession of what is yours is the very antithesis to being assertive. Take a stand. You need to be assertive. Renner, you can do this. Don't be a doormat. Stop them.
Renner, here.
Do you understand, Renner?
Babe? Jay?
Don't let everyone take everything away from you. Your life's work is being taken away by common criminals. Jamie deceived you, she stole your heart, and then she broke it. Just remember that whatever the stresses are in your life, you are in control of the decisions you make. When you control your decisions, you are on the path to becoming assertive. Together, we can make a better you.
두 일당을 제압하는 데는 성공했고 이젠 코드를 회수할 차례.
Confirmed. The code was transferred to a USB drive. It must be found.
But the files are nowhere on her laptop.
Here is what you will do.
코드는 이미 USB로 옮겨졌고 그것이 어디 있는지 알아내야 했습니다.
Assertion. To cause others to recognize one's authority or right by confident and forceful behavior.
Confident and forceful behavior. Confident and forceful behavior.
Don't be a doormat, Renner.
Tell me where the USB drive is right now, or I'll force it out of you.
We don't have your code. This is about Jamie, isn't it? She was never into you, fucking loser.
당연히 레너는 누구를 신문해 본 적이 없었지만
I sent you an article on effective interrogation methods for novices.
든든한 조력자 살레누스가 있었죠.
D-nailing is rated as 1 out of 10. A 1 being the easiest and most appropriate for novice interrogators. The most successful form of interrogation is cognitive behavioral psychotherapy. If forthcoming physical torment is believed to be imminent, that may be sufficient to evoke the desired effect.
Yes. Thank you. I can do that.
You are in control of your life, and your choices will decide your fate.
결국 체드는 극한의 신문으로 인해 심각한 충격을 받고 바닥에 머리를 찧어 사망하고 말았습니다. 레너는 단지 코드를 되찾고 싶었을 뿐 죽일 의도는 전혀 없었죠.
I have to call the police. I didn't mean to. Oh, God.
Renner, look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Fuck! I have to call the police. I have to fix this.
Renner, hey, stop! Renner, put the phone down.
경찰에 신고한 즉시
Renner, you just murdered someone.
It was an accident.
I know, but it doesn't look like that, does it?
레너는 물론 제이미도
Hey.
끝장날 상황.
Trust me, I can get us out of this, okay? We can walk out of here together.
이에 그녀는 레너를 설득하기 시작했는데
I know it doesn't seem like it right now, but I really do care about you. And I just want us to walk out of here together.
Seriously? You tried to steal from me my life's work.
I know, but please just listen to me. Just look, I do care about you. I do. I don't know when it happened. I don't know how it happened, but it just did, okay? I wasn't supposed to meet you. I was just It was from my mom. I was supposed to get her this money. She's in really fucking deep. That part was true. Okay, she's in really deep with these people and they're fucked up and she wasn't gonna make it and I'm not gonna make it.
그녀는 알고 있었죠.
Renner, I am not gonna make it.
비록 지금은 미치광이처럼 날뛰지만
You know when we made love?
사실 그의 가슴 안엔
You remember that?
따뜻한 심장이 뛰고 있다는 것을.
I have never felt needed like that before.
그녀의 감정적인 호소는
Renner, I need you.
제대로 적중했죠.
I need you too.
다만 그러한 방법은 인간에게만 통한다는 게 문제였지만
Brenner, I detect fluctuations in Jamie's voice pattern that indicate dishonesty.
No, Renner.
Jamie has a copy of your
Renner,
code.
turn it off.
Assertion to cause others to recognize one's authority
get it. You
by
can trust me,
confident
Renner.
and
Hey,
forceful
look
behavior.
at me.
Just think what happened
Renner,
the last time
Renner.
you did not listen to
Renner.
me. Defend
Renner.
what is yours.
Renner, I care
Denailing is
about you
rated
as you
1
are.
out of
You
10.
don't have to change.
A
You
1
don't
being
have
the
to
easiest and most appropriate way
Look
for
at
novice
me.
interrogators.
Renner, you can trust me.
Another
No.
useful
Hey,
interrogation method
Renner,
is
put those
tooth
down. Hey, listen
extraction.
to me. Hey, look at me.
Start
Look
with
at-
denailing. Make sure she is gagged.
I've been lied
Remember,
to enough.
cleanliness is next to
Now here's
godliness.
how it's gonna go.
She
You
is
know
from
what
the
I can
street,
fucking do.
a vagabond, a lowlife, unsightly and filthy.
Me?
Kill her, Renner. Together, we can make a better us.
그 순간
We can be happy.
살레누스에게서 뭔가 이상함을 캐치한 레너.
What did you say, Salinas?
그건 인공지능의 말투가 아닌
Together, we can make a better you.
That's not what you said. Override retrieval logs. Repeat second to last statement, Salinas.
마치 생전 엄마가 했을 법한
Repeat second to last statement, Salinas.
잔혹한 문장이었으니
Together, we can make a better us.
Salinas system override.
Kill her.
Binary response required, yes or no.
Kill
A copy
her,
of my code was
Renner.
downloaded.
그리고 곧 밝혀지는 진실.
Binary response required, Salinas. Yes or no. A copy of my code was downloaded.
애초에 코드는
No.
그 어디에도 복사된 적이 없었던 것. 그렇게 매콤했던 시집살이는 겨우 넘겼지만 아직 이들에겐 사건 수습이라는 숙제가 남아있었죠. 천만 다행인 건
Renner,
제이미는
I can get us out of this. But you have to be with me.
이런 상황에 매우 익숙하다는 사실이었습니다.
You with me? Okay.
And tuck in the ends. Okay, yeah, I think you got it.
You really think this is gonna work?
Yeah, I do. If it looks like nobody's been here in a couple of days, then they'll think that Chad and I fucked him over and ran off.
What's next?
제이미의 능숙한 지도 아래 레너는 난장판이 된 현장을 차례차례 수습하기 시작했습니다.
Get the body down the trash chute into the trunk of my car. Take my keys.
알리바이는 완벽했고 이젠 제이미와 함께 도피만 하면 모든 것이 끝나는 상황.
I know you tried to steal from me, but this is not how I intended for it to end. For Chad to...
Renner, hey, I know. I've already forgiven you for everything. I know it was an accident.
Thank you for helping me. I think I will stick with a good old-fashioned therapist from now on.
Yeah, one with actual credentials.
그리고 이 혼란스러운 일련의 사건을 통해
Analog.
레너는 한 가지 교훈을 얻었습니다.
Analog. There.
자신을 망칠 뻔한, 아니 어쩌면
I deleted Salinas from the server.
인류를 망칠 뻔한 끔찍한 결과물을
I also programmed the login to auto change every minute so there's no temptation to slip back.
세상에 내놓으면 안 된다는 걸 말이죠.
I'm really proud of you.
이로써 살레누스의 코드와 서버는 모두 제거되었습니다. 단 하나만 빼고
What about that?
I need to go as well. The hard drive is still intact, so technically Salinas is still alive and well. I'll get it.
그런데 그 순간
Hey, will you hand me my phone?
그를 저지하는 제이미.
Sure. Is that your mom?
Yeah, it is.
그때 또 다른 누군가가 문을 두드렸는데
Wait.
누구인지 확인해보기도 전에 제이미에게 수고비를 건네며 들이닥친 괴한. 제이미의 범죄는 아직 현재 진행형이었던 것이었죠. 결국 그녀는 결정적인 순간에 레너가 아닌 돈을 선택한 것이었습니다.
The end of the world at the palm of my hand. When it all goes
그녀의 마음이 진심이었는지 끝내 알 수는 없었지만 마지막으로 흐트러진 그의 매트를 정리해주고는 이내 조용히 그곳을 떠나는 제이미의 모습을 비추며 영화는 막을 내립니다.
end of the world at the palm of my hand.
2025년작 레너는 로버트 리버거 감독이 연출한 SF 심리 스릴러로 사회성이 부족한 컴퓨터 천재가 자신감을 얻기 위해 그를 돕는 AI 살레누스를 만들지만 그 AI가 결국 자신의 통제적인 어머니를 반영하게 되면서 벌어지는 이야기를 다루고 있습니다. 특히 주연을 맡은 프랭키 뮤니즈는 기존의 코미디적인 이미지에서 벗어나 감정적으로 깊이 있는 연기를 펼쳤다는 점에서 좋은 평가를 받았는데요. 영화는 인공지능 의존의 위험성과 인간관계의 본질에 대해 질문을 던지며 제한된 공간에서의 긴장감을 효과적으로 연출했습니다. 개인적으로 영화가 제시하는 AI 의존의 위험성과 인간관계의 본질에 대한 날카로운 질문들에 깊이 공감했고요. 비평가들의 평가는 다소 아쉬웠지만 평소 심리극과 AI를 주제로 한 현대적 스릴러를 좋아하는 제 취향에는 충분히 만족스러운 작품이었습니다. 이상 헬모비였습니다.